times have I wanted a love? And how many times have I tried? And how many times has she given her love? And how many times have I cried? Do you remember the night that I gave my love to you? And your arms lifted me to the sky. Well, your arms are not here now, holding me near now. When will I learn not to cry? I remember the times that I held you in my arms, and each word that you spoke was a lie. Still I wish you were here now, holding me near now. When will I learn not to cry? To you our love was a game, just like crying to me. Only that is the way that you want it, not me. As I think of the evening that you told me goodbye, Lord, when will I learn not to cry? As I lie here on my pillow and I'm dreaming dreams of you, I think of how I smiled before we were through. Will I sit up and sigh and wish that I